So I am not going crazy. That is germination seedling about to come up. It's one of those sunflower seeds. I guess it's going on 2 weeks. I think, I should have wrote it down, that I'll put these seeds in here. That looks like something else right there too. So we'll keep an eye on this stuff. But that is something coming up. Something great is happening. Try to move the camera slow. It got to be a setting on here where this thing, when you move it, it won't be so fast. But since I don't know what that is, this is what's going on. Back looking at my dirt with my sunflower seeds. And I also threw some on the edge, the border, I guess I could say, some flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Hold on, I'll show you. These are the seeds. I bought a box from the Dollar Tree and I just threw these around the border in the plant potter that I have my sunflowers grown in. So hopefully I'll have some little flowers to grace the border of the sunflowers. Hopefully everything works out. And also, I want to show you guys something. Trying to move slow. This here, you guys can remember, I'm kind of close up on it. Look how fast. I just set this Rosetta succulent in here yesterday. Look in the center. This baby grew out in the center since yesterday. Now if I can get a good picture of yesterday's, you'll see the side of this. Look how tall it is. That little center grew out that quick. This is amazing. I'm still looking for the name of this plant. I think this plant has something to do with maybe an Elvira, because it looks something like that. I think it's a gas, what is it, Bubdine Gastric. I'm not probably pronouncing that correctly, but I'm still searching for the name. But it looks, I think it's an African plant, I think. And it's a cross between some Elvira plant, the way it's shaped, and what's that other plant called? I can't think right now. But anyway, I gotta get my information straight. I don't want to give out, even though I'm giving out wrong information right now. Ha ha ha. I'll just leave this plant alone until I figure out what it is. But these is a mother of 1,000. This plant belongs to. And that one that I showed you guys that I put in the sand, that's a torch, fire torch. You can see it down there. Thoria something. And I know the name of this one now too. I'm gonna put the names of it. So I'm gonna say this is 1, the Rosetta, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know. Alright. Okay. So I wasn't going crazy in believing that within 2 weeks I have seedlings. Forgive me, it's been a while since I've been with my plants. Terminology out the window. But seedlings, seeds germinating, giving me little tiny little seedlings about to be sunflowers. If all survive and it's all is well. Look how many of them are exposed now. Several. I'm going to try to move this camera slow. Hopefully it stays in focus. Look at them. This is the second day from yesterday when I made a short video to show you guys the few that I seen yesterday, and this is the ones all sprouted today. It's amazing. Stay focused. So these seeds took off pretty quick, I guess. I hope to see sunflowers in a little bit. It'll take a little while, but I can't wait to see their beautiful colors. It all goes well. Let me go across here and show you guys. This plant, I believe, is, I said I was going to write the name down. It's a Marian. Marian, well, I can't speak plant language. My English is a mess when I try to pronounce some of these names of these plants. I get tongue-tied, twisted. Just got to give them short, brief little names, because I'm all right with the grassulas. Okay, forget it. I ain't even going to try. But Marian, I'll just write it in the description box. This one, it looks like a stick plant. So I'm just going to stay with saying it's a stick plant. Ooh, one of them got broke. Yep, I'm just going to keep saying, I'm just going to say this is a stick plant. And this plant here look like a pig's ear. And I already know this is a jade. This one I got, but I already got a big one. And this is the name of the 1,000 mothers, the Clanacoli. Let's see here. Uh-oh. This is the fire torch, the one that I put in the sand. I'm just checking it out today, see what's going on. It looks like it got, I don't know, it's drawed up. I'll see. We'll just give it a few more days. Sorry, I just went all over the place. But I'm just, I don't know, my camera went everywhere. I didn't mean to go all over there, but I guess I'm through. I just wanted to share. I'm moving pretty fast. Yes, I am. I just want to share the sunflower seeds. All right. I will share some pictures.